An automated coin rolling machine efficiently wraps stacks of coins, making them ready for distribution and use. A worker uses rollers to process a large quantity of a red, meat-like material into thin sheets. An automated machine places red caps on top of bottles, sealing them and preparing them for further processing. A lathe machine precisely carves and shapes a spinning metal disc and a rotating rod. Worker uses a handheld laser welder to create strong, clean, and precise welds on various metal parts. A metal forming machine uses rollers to shape a flat sheet of blue metal into a corrugated roofing panel. Metal lathe precisely carves a cone shape from a rotating metal bar, creating a tapered component. A worker applies a white powder coating to the interior of a large metal pipe. A large industrial shredder effortlessly crushes a child's toy bicycle, grinding it into small pieces for recycling. A powerful machine uses rollers to unroll and flatten a large, coiled piece of metal. A drilling rig carefully drives itself down a loading ramp, preparing for transportation on a flatbed truck. A lathe machine precisely carves and shapes a complex, rounded handle from a solid piece of material. Woodworker uses an automated router with a preset template to carve an intricate design into a wooden post. A heavy-duty hydraulic grabber on an Excavator crushes and shreds a car for recycling in a junkyard. A pipe bending. Machine uses rollers to precisely bend and shape a square metal tube into a U-shaped frame. Excavator with a drill bit and a gripper attachment. Drills and installs wooden posts into the ground. A metal lathe. Machine precisely cuts a shaft from a bolt and then creates threads on the remaining piece. An excavator with a grabber attachment efficiently uproots an old tree stump, clearing the field for new growth. A powerful tractor-mounted auger efficiently drills a deep hole in the ground, displacing dirt to dig a hole. A large tube of hot plastic is blown and molded by a machine into a large plastic jug. Glass artisans skillfully shape a large, hot, blown glass vessel using teamwork and specialized tools. Powerful vacuum machine compresses and packages large quantities of soft material into a compact roll. A skilled worker uses a specialized machine to implant strands of hair into a plastic doll head. An automated machine spreads and cooks a thin batter on a rotating griddle, creating large, flat crepes. Workers are shown using machinery to assemble and then hand-stitch multiple paneled sport balls. A powerful machine twists several straight metal rods together, forming a decorative spiral cage component. A precision machine strips and cuts wire, while an operator assembles a component, demonstrating electronic component manufacturing. A man uses a specialized machine to manually coil a long metal rod into a tight spring. A machine precisely slices frozen meat into thin sheets, which are then artfully arranged on a plate. machine efficiently unrolls a metal barrel, flattening it into a long sheet of metal for recycling or reuse. An automated machine inserts and secures bristles into a plastic base, efficiently creating new brush heads. Skilled metal spinning shapes a spinning copper disc on a lathe into a beautiful, rounded, and finished vessel. A powerful machine forges a glowing, red-hot steel sphere into a seamless ring, creating a durable part. Person unrolls large squares of fresh sod onto a conveyor belt to be transported for landscaping or installation. A worker skillfully assembles a decorative bench, applying upholstery straps, foam, and fabric to create a finished piece of furniture. A machine automatically molds and seals dough around a filling, creating perfectly shaped steamed buns. An automated machine dispenses a batter into hot oil, creating flower-shaped pastries that are cooked to a golden brown. A powerful excavating machine with a large rotating cutting wheel efficiently carves and transports salt from a massive pile. A person uses an automated machine to precisely engrave the dots onto wooden dice, row by row. An automatic machine uses a hot mold to precisely shape plastic pieces and form a new gear. High-speed rollers print vibrant, colorful floral designs onto a plain fabric, creating a decorative material. A machine with a specialized die uses a punch press to form metal pipes into a curved shape. An operator feeds a machine that turns a dough-like material into long strands of pasta or noodles. An automatic peeling machine efficiently removes the outer skin from large zucchini, streamlining the food preparation process. Heavy industrial machinery precisely bends thick metal pipes and bars to a desired curve. An automated brick stacking machine efficiently sorts and stacks finished bricks on a conveyor belt for packaging or storage. Heavy-duty equipment efficiently pulls long cables through an underground trench, streamlining the installation process. A thread rolling machine uses rollers to create external threads on a metal part. An automated machine uses a conveyor belt to precisely drop round baked goods into individual plastic containers. Machinery efficiently replaces old railway ties with new ones, ensuring the track remains stable and safe. This automated machine precisely bends and shapes wire into clothes hangers, increasing production efficiency. Efficient machinery transforms bamboo poles into thin, flexible mats for various products. A printing machine uses a roller to apply a realistic wood grain finish to a plain wooden board. A person uses a specialized sewing machine to stitch a shoe's upper, joining different pieces of fabric and leather. A log debarking machine uses hydraulic power to strip bark from a log, revealing the clean wood underneath. Automated machine precisely dips strawberry and vanilla ice cream bars into a chocolate, coating on a production line. A specialized machine with rotating gears strips the plastic casing from a thick cable, exposing the copper wiring. A man uses an industrial rebar bending machine to precisely form a set of rebar into a uniform U-shape. An excavator with a hydraulic breaker attachment pounds and breaks a large rock into smaller pieces. Log debarker machine uses rotating blades to efficiently strip the bark from logs. A weaving machine efficiently transforms long, flat strips of material into a black tubular net. A skilled worker manually shapes a metal sheet by using a press brake to bend it into a frame. An automated machine fills and folds buns, efficiently creating and shaping filled steamed buns for cooking. A woodworker uses a spindle sander to precisely sand the curved edges of a piece of wood. A powerful metal forming machine transforms a round metal pipe into a square, hollow tube. Grinding machine uses abrasive slurry to grind and polish the surface of a circular object. A shredding machine with powerful rotating blades shreds compacted aluminum cans, turning a large metal block into scrap. A person uses a handheld laser welder to create strong, clean, and precise metal joints without visible heat marks. A woodworker uses a hand plane to precisely shave and smooth a wooden. A craftsman uses an industrial machine to precisely sharpen the teeth of a large, long saw blade. A metal saw cuts a precise slice from a large metal pipe in a rapid, automated process. An automatic machine uses intense heat to shape molten glass into a precise, glowing bottle. A machine uses rollers to flatten a warped piece of wood into a straight plank, making it usable again. A coal briquette press creates blocks of compressed fuel, converting charcoal dust into usable briquettes. A CNC machine precisely shapes a rotating metal bar by carving away material, creating a custom part. A powerful shredder with large rotating blades efficiently shreds a large piece of steel into smaller scrap. A red-hot metal rod is forged and stamped by a machine into a complex new shape. An excavator with a grabber. Attachment efficiently clears reeds from a pond, removing them in large clumps. Brick-making machine automatically presses and forms cement mix into new bricks. A tractor-mounted stump grinder efficiently grinds and removes tree stumps, clearing the ground for future use. A hot plastic sheet is vacuum formed and cut to create a plastic container with a specific custom shape. Skilled worker uses an automated press brake to precisely bend and shape a metal sheet into a box. Artisans skillfully forge metal into a durable axe head using traditional blacksmithing techniques. A large industrial hydraulic press forges a glowing, red-hot piece of metal into a new shape. Heavy hydraulic machinery crushes an old concrete block and recycles it into a new, complex shape. A lathe machine uses a drill bit to bore a precise hole into a spinning metal cylinder. A colossal hydraulic press forges a glowing, red-hot piece of metal with immense force to shape it. An excavator with a powerful stump grinder attachment efficiently rips out and removes a tree stump from the ground. skilled worker uses a grinder to carefully polish the beveled edge of a glass or stone countertop. An excavator carefully maneuvers onto a flatbed truck, preparing itself for transportation. An excavator with a powerful ripper. Attachment efficiently breaks up and moves large rocks during a digging operation. A tractor-mounted auger efficiently drills multiple holes, aerating the soil for agriculture. A powerful hydraulic press compresses a powdery material into a solid rectangular block. A specialized washing machine cleans the mud from an antique-looking rail post, revealing its intricate design. A large industrial shredder crushes a metal cart, easily breaking it down into small pieces for recycling. A skilled plumber installs a hot water heating system, meticulously cutting and bending tubes to create a complex piping network. A worker uses a pelletizer machine to compress stalks and corn cobs into solid feed pellets. A heavy-duty industrial shredder crushes and shreds fire extinguishers and paint cans for recycling. An automated machine uses rollers and a conveyor belt to efficiently pack bags into cylindrical containers.